Good morning, student. I am your science teacher. My name is Aparna. Today we will continue our topic respiration in organisms. We will focus in topic 10.5 breathing in other animals. Now we have focus in the tiny insects which we are present in our surroundings. So we will see and get acknowledge about them. Pay attention while I am reading and have your content book with you. Okay. Now, animals such as elephant, lion, cows, goat, frog, lizard, snake, birds have lungs in their chest cavity. What they are having? Lungs, like the human beings. But how do other organisms breathe? Small insects. Do they have the lungs like those of human beings? Let us find out. So we will acknowledge first insect, that is cockroach. You are very much familiar with the cockroach. A cockroach has a small opening on the sides of its body. There is a spiracles. There is a hole opening known as spiracles. Other insects also have the similar openings. Other insects also having the same thing. Now these openings are called spiracles. You have to underline what these called spiracles. Insects have a network of air tube called trachea for their gases exchange. You also underline these lines. Insects have a network of air tube like trachea. Means trachea will be help the insect to the exchange of gases. Oxygen rich air rushes through the spiracles into the tracheal tube, diffuses into the body tissues. The air will come to the tracheal tube and diffuse it to the body tissues and reaches every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cell goes out in the tracheal tube and moves out through the spiracles. So these holes are very important for the insects. These air tubes or the trachea are found only in insects and not in any other of the group of animals. Only insects have these trachea, none other group. So in this manner, we will acknowledge about the cockroach. Then we will switch to earthworm. Earthworm is also a insect formed in the soil and under the soil. Now recall from the chapter 9 of class 6 that earthworm breathe through their skins. You are very well known. Earthworm has a moist skin as similar as frog. The skin of an earthworm feel moist and slimy on touching. It is very uneasy to touch. It is slippery. Now gases can easily passes through them. What happened? The exchange of gases will be take with the help of skin. Through frogs have a pair of lungs. In the frog, the lungs are also there like human beings. They can also breathe through their skin, which is moist and slippery. Because frogs are amphibians, so they can breathe from the lungs also, and there is their moist and slippery skin also. So in this manner, we get acknowledged about the insects like cockroach and earthworm. So go through your content and any query, then you can ask me. Have a good day.